Sunshine Jordan, subscribe. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. In today's video, I am doing the 4-month braids takedown, okay? And guys, do not ask me what possessed me to do this, but I had seen this trend going around and I'm like, I did this really out of curiosity and just as an experiment really, but it ended up being 4 months because I never planned on it being 4 months or keeping these braids in for 4 months because I was going through something, so it ended up being longer than I had planned. Anyway guys, as you can see in the previous clips, this is really disgusting and nasty, and I cannot believe I did this with my hair, and I will never ever do anything like this again. It was frustrating. I really had a nervous breakdown. I was frustrated to the point where I almost wanted to cry, and I ended up like giving up and taking a break for like 2 days and continuing this process. This is how bad it was, and I'll never ever do anything like this again. It was one of the worst natural hair experiences of my entire life. So as you can see in this clip, I'm here fighting with this braid, fighting through the tangles, and y'all, like 10 minutes later you're gonna see how much progress I had made 10 minutes later. Okay, so it was I had so many tangles, I had so many mats, and what I also noticed is that like even after doing this, washing my hair and all that stuff, what I noticed is that the next wash days, let's say maybe about 2 weeks later or even a month later, I noticed that my scalp was a little bit more itchy than it usually was. My hair got dirty really quickly, and also I noticed a lot of single strand knots, a lot more than I had before doing this to my hair. So like guys, 10 minutes later or maybe even 20 minutes later, this is what I have after finally taking that first braid out. This is what my hair is looking like, and look at all that dirt. This is just disgusting and nasty, and I can't believe I didn't even know this was going on in my hair. Like I didn't even know all of this situation was going on in my hair. I knew it was dirty, but I can't see the top of I can see in my hair like that, and I wasn't like taking up a mirror every day trying to look and examine my hair, so I did not know all of this nastiness was going on. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the video. Basically it was just me fighting with my hair. I also used water. I tried water. That didn't help much with the parts of my hair that were really matted. The water helped with the parts of my hair that were not as matted, but as far as the parts that are really matted, I ended up having to cut some of my hair off. I had to cut through some tangles, I had to cut through some knots, and I did lose quite a bit of hair. Not a lot, but I lost some of my hair from having to cut it off. I also tried deep conditioner, but like I said, that didn't really work for me as far as the really matted parts of the hair. But I basically just used water. I used my liquid shampoo that I made, and I tried deep conditioning. What really worked for me eventually was I had this gel similar to flaxseed gel, but it's made from seaweed. That's what I used in the back of my hair, was the most tangled part, and that's what eventually helped me to get some of the mats out of my hair. But yeah, you guys, enjoy the rest of the video. This was really nasty, and I'll never do anything like this again. But thank you guys so much for watching. Take care of yourselves as always. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and check out the rest of the videos on my channel. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.